a small pan on low flame. Add heavy cream, black tea, cardamom powder, ginger powder, and sugar. Cook until chai starts to heat up. Stir constantly until chai changes color and comes to a boil. Strain chai in a container. Keep it on room temperature until it cools down a bit. Freeze it for 4 to 5 minutes. Whisk chai until it becomes foamy. Serve in shots glasses. Froth the remaining chai with frother for extra foam. Put froth on top and garnish with chocolate. Chai dalgona shots are ready. If you like this recipe video, smash the like button. For more recipes, subscribe Flavors Family.